Tom Bakiran, come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right.
Hello, Tom! Welcome to the show, Tom! Nakaabot ka sa ating third big prize. Let's find out what it is. Michael.
Don, it's a beautiful...
The actual retail price for that oldie remote control cars is $1,099. Tom! Finally! Nakakyat na dito si Tom! Come here, join our second batch of wheel spinners. Now, let's go, Tom, Fiel, and Dante. Good luck to the three of you. Pataasan tayo, okay? Alam ko ikaw, center ka. Pwede mong lakasan yan. Sige, Tom, good luck. Yan, ang basketballista natin na si Tom. Saan kaya tayo titigil? Mataas-taas kaya? Aba, aba. Abay! 55! Titigil na ba tayo sa 55? O gusto mo pang mag-spin?
One more.
One more. Sige lang, just try. Sana maka-45 ka. Para 100. Okay. Ano kaya ang swerte ni Tom? Huwag sanang sumobra. Aba, 30. Very good. So, 95. Mataas yan. Mataas yan. Ay, sorry. 85. 85.